Mr. Captain.
Thank you, Chairman, sir. Thank you for allowing me to speak on the budget session. I heard the entire speech of the Honorable Finance Minister, and like a small child who used to wait during Christmas for Santa Claus to come and put some gifts in the stocking, I waited and waited, but finally was greatly disappointed. Not because Goa did not get anything, also not because the Honorable Minister did not even take the name of my beloved state of Goa, but because in the last 11 years, you have taken away everything from Goa, be it our land, our rivers, our forest, our agricultural land, everything, including 10 plus 8, 18 MLAs in wholesale, without GST, without any taxes, lock, stock and barrel. तुमका दिसले की तुम्ही आमका लाचार करतले म्हण विसरते खबरो आम्ही वनरात गोंयकार. We are people with great heart. We know to fight a battle. Now coming to the budget, sir, the government has run out of ideas. Budget 2026 looks like a swinging a cricket bat in total darkness. Lag gaya to lag gaya, and does not provide a single solution to India's many economic, social and political challenges. In the last 11 years, we kept hearing mission this, mission that. And this 14 point has become a huge challenge to the nation with neither any policy vision nor any political will. Today, with not much details of trade with USA, the deep and committed love for the two crony capitalists, including Adani, close friend of Vishwaguru, it has resulted in the betrayal of Annadatas of our country. We have backstabbed the Annadata farmers who still await meaningful welfare support or an income security. In the 1960s, the Congress government gave the slogan, Jai Jawan, Jai Kisan. But this government has backstabbed both a Jawan and a Kisan. When it comes to defense, today we have taxed the pension drawn by the disability Jawans or officers, which is a sad thing because he got injured during combat operation or during conflict. There is a delay in disbursement of funds for the ECHS, and that has affected the treatment of our veterans and their families. Inequality has surpassed the levels seen under the British Raj, but the budget does not even mention it or provide any support to SC, ST, OBC, EWS and minority communities. Yesterday, after 43 days of chain hunger strike, Amche Bal Rath Goenkar, belonging to the ST community, won a battle of opposing the construction of a mall close to the tribal land and a hotspot of diversity. As far as health is concerned, the South Goa District Hospital is having shortage of doctors, nurses, equipments, and most cases are shifted to GMC, putting a huge burden on the doctors and staff of Goa Medical College. There is need to equip our primary health centers. There are funds needed to augment the water requirement, but the government is only giving approval for mega projects with swimming pools. The money bags from Delhi have marginalized Amche Goenkarang. Faulty infrastructure and corruption has led to repeated expenditure by the state government. The job scam of massive proportion has shattered the dreams of the Goan youth. The emerging scam in handing over garbage handling plants to favored corporates, be it in Chikalim or Sankwald, has led to wastage of public money with no desired results. This requires an investigation by the central government. Today, Goa government is known as the event management government by spending crores and crores and has led to a loan of over 35,000 crores. Aaj je burge goyan zalman eta te apnache takler almost 2 lakh loan given zalman eta for no fault of the child. I feel sad to state that today Goa has turned into a crime capital of the country, a drug capital, unemployment capital. Arpara tragedy which has just happened, sir, has resulted in the loss of life of 25 innocent tourists and staff. There were no licenses of the excise department, no fire clearances. There's a total law and order failure. The only focus of center is to turn Goa into a coal hub with double tracking, expansion of roads and other destructive projects meant to help Adani, who is transporting coal from Goa to other states. There is a drop in the budget for education with implementation of NEP is suffering badly. Teachers are on contract or lecture basis. Today, the exams of the 12th standard have commenced in Goa, sir. The teachers who are on contract or lecture basis, they are not sure that after this academic year, whether they will get a renewal of their contract.
Kindly conclude. Kindly conclude, please.
Sir, I have just started, sir.
You have taken 5 minutes.
The 12th standard, even staff working in various departments are having temporary jobs. The then Congress government in Goa had given Bal Rath buses to ensure that poor students from remote areas come to the school. Today, those buses need replacement. I have been trying to meet the requirement through MP-led funds, sir.
Please
As far as
make it brief. There are so
I'm concluding, sir. The Finance Commission, which had visited Goa, is living in bliss, providing absolutely no relief to Goa, which is under severe financial stress due to faulty policies. There are no jobs for the youth, employment of a youth or increasing participation of women in workforce. What is the outcome of internship or skill development scheme, sir? Poor and middle class, there is no relief from inflation, saving and rising debt. Instead of focusing on actual infrastructure in Goa, we are demolishing religious places.
Shri Vijay Kumar Hansdagi.
Sir, I'm concluding. Last term. Sir, we need a special status for Goa for a sustainable development council. This is the only solution for my beloved Goa. नाले आमचे गोय जे वडिलांनी सांभाळून दवरला ते काबार जातले सर. कोण दूरचे ना. गोयकार काबार जातलो. जय हिंद, जय गोवा.
तुम्ही पळयतात गोंयकारपण, गोंयकारांचो गोंयकारा खातीर.